Hello and welcome to another update video about Harmony One. Here it's an unchanged situation. We rallied in what I believe is a 5-wave move off the December low to the 3rd of February, came down in a clear 3-wave structure. At least so far, 3 waves. We turned around in our trend reversal area and then came into the next trend reversal area, highlighted here in yellow, touched it, rallied, came into the next trend reversal area, but so far have not managed to generate a sustainable breakout to the upside. And I'm questioning if we will do it, because so far we haven't really managed to do it, and we are dancing on support. That is often a warning that we could very well come back into the deeper support at least once more, because the same situation that we have on various crypto charts. First of all, let me adjust here the count. Yeah, it's something that is just relentless. You always have to do, especially if it's boring sideways movement. Time goes on, chart doesn't really. So so the idea is we've got here in a similar way to Bitcoin and Ethereum, the potential of either a 1-2-1-2 setup, where it then should, however, hold support at 1.96 cents, the 78.6 retrace. But if it drops below that, sustains below that level, which means it consolidates below support, then we are probably in the larger 1-2 setup. Or let's say the orange one is basically the more bullish escalation chart, where we only need a shallow retracement. And we had already a 1-2, and this is another 1-2 setup, but then it needs to rally in a third wave really, right? And we are looking then for a target for that orange third wave of the 1.618 extension. We talk about 2.7 cents next. But if it breaks below 1.96 cents, this additional support area here gets relevant, and we then most likely have the situation that this was an A wave overshooting B wave, and we're coming down in C. It's a very strange structure. Looks a bit like an ending diagonal of some sorts, but it's a bit messy. Or could even be an Elliott wave triangle, which would result in one more dip. But then again, it's the 1.65 cent level that is and remains relevant. As long as we're holding that, we can focus on higher in a third wave here. And yeah, from that point of view, that's sort of the situation. What I then have to do though is I need to upgrade here the wave degree of that larger third wave, right? Because what you shouldn't forget is that we obviously rallied off the December, was it December? Yeah, the December low in a wave 1. We came down in 2, and then we still have this third wave to do. And what we are seeing here could just be the beginning of that larger third wave. Yeah, how that eventually will subdivide is what the market needs to show us. It depends of if we have a 1-2-1-2 setup, or there are different scenarios how this could unfold. So we will keep options open, but for now, especially as long as we're holding 1.65 cents, the trend is on higher. What would be the target for this large third wave if it all plays out? Well, we can only really talk about the minimum at the moment. And then that would be the 1.618 extension at 4.79 cents. That's really everything I can tell you at the moment. We just need to see, do we hold support? And if we do, then this setup is and remains valid. Below 1.65 cents, the chart will start to look a bit strange. There will then be support around the 1.5 cent level and 1.41. But by that time, it's, if we make one more low, we suddenly get a 5-wave move down, and it will start to look very strange. But yeah, that's sort of the situation at the moment, basically everywhere in crypto. We need a bit of patience. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.